Alone, this heart is beyond repair. For I have not the wisdom I thought I did to give what's fair. Sinking into bottomless despair, I find no reprieve by which to sing my way back into the air. Answer me this prayer, for I have no love to share. I need to know what love is beyond this shimmering dare.
She sings with her words, but he speaks with his rhyme. He records the words written, forever frozen in time. He understands the symmetry between science and art, and elevates his power by speaking from the heart. The resilience of her song resounds throughout the world. Cannot they hear the echoes whilst the truth cries untold? He contemplates his thought as she articulates her voice. He descends into the depths and loses total grip of choice. Is there a difference between one's heart and mind? To speak from there inside is the hardest path to find. Cosmically aware, the universe may know it so. Inside of them, inside of it, lies the conscious self. Remarkably intelligent, they manifest their nature into gods and idols where they founded their creator. And some will keep content to transcend a grand designer, as though it provides a purpose to please a higher power.
The cosmos is expanding, burgeoning like their minds. Life exists to vanish, but space will not resign. They are the lucky ones to experience such awareness. Star stuff seeing stars, subtle matter inventing madness. With one big beginning to open your eyes and sail, strive to realize your dreams and never squander for the grail. Live with a passion to leave your good for earth, and remember to rejoice every newborn childbirth. So smoke your pipe curiously, breathing with your intellect, and watch those rings of smoke enhance your thinking best. But count not your seconds, rather make true your dreams, for they say in heaven, all the interesting lads are missing.